We have a wonderful, sort of country where we have rivers running through it. We have access to the bore water. The bore water that we have is capable of growing plants, unlike a lot of areas in Australia where you can't use the bore water. It will kill the plants. It will kill the native vegetation. It just doesn't work because of the potassium and and all the other chemicals that are naturally occurring in the soil and in the water. Here in the Euahlayi Nation, we're a bit blessed in that we can use that groundwater to drink and we can use it to irrigate. And there's a little bit like the Liverpool Plains and the Gunnedah Basin, for example, where a lot of farmers do irrigate with bore, and they're not relying on pumping waters out of the river system in those areas. So we've worked together on a plan so that we become economically sustainable. And we have to look after the population. The reconstruction program and the repatriation of our people back in our homelands, bringing the diaspora back into our lands, is an objective, but realistically we have to make sure that we're able to generate the income and develop the reconstruction program that will happen. With Angela in being the treasurer, and myself and the others in agricultural development, economic development, for example, our task will be to try and encourage now investment into our country in terms of development, and that will be very well controlled, and it's going to make it possible and feasible for us to do these things by going through this process.